Okay, real talk. Why does it feel like no matter how much we budget, save, or hustle, our bank accounts still be giving help me? Like we're doing everything right, but our wallet's still on life support. It's exhausting and honestly, kinda unfair. They told us, go to college, get a job, skip the daily latte, and you'll be fine. But the truth? Rent is wild, groceries are expensive, and every paycheck disappears faster than a trending TikTok. It's like adulthood came with a plot twist we never signed up for. We were sold a dream that hard work alone would get us there, but nobody mentioned inflation, debt, or emotional spending every time life gets messy. It's like playing a game no one taught us the rules to, and the goalposts keep moving. Be honest, ever scroll through Instagram and think, how are they affording all this? Meanwhile, you're debating between Starbucks or gas money. If we don't change how we play this game, we'll stay stuck, broke, burnt out, and tired. But what if your money glow up starts today? Hey besties, I am Sophia, your financial big sis, and welcome back to Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. If you're ready to upgrade your money mindset, hit subscribe and turn on that bell. Let's make your wallet as cute as your Pinterest board. This video is for educational and inspirational purposes only, not financial advice. Do your own research before making money moves. Today, we're breaking down how to go from broke to bougie, mindset shifts, money habits, and lifestyle changes that actually make sense for us Gen Z girls. You can't glow up financially if your mindset's still stuck in survival mode. Like, you can't build wealth if you're still just trying to make it through the week. The real flex isn't just making money, it's believing you deserve it. Did you know like 65% of Gen Z feel constant money anxiety? We check our accounts and feel that instant stress spike, but that fear? It's what keeps us from saving, investing, or even thinking we can actually build wealth. Imagine being that girl who checks her bank app without her heart racing. You've got savings, goals, and peace. That kind of quiet confidence? That's the new luxury. Most of us think hustling harder is the only way to level up. But nah, it's about smarter systems. Building habits that work for you, not drain you. Because real wealth isn't chaos, it's calm. Tracking your money is like tracking calories. You can't glow up what you don't measure. Think about it. You wouldn't start a fitness journey without knowing what you eat, right? Same thing with your wallet. Awareness is the first flex. Start simple. Try the 50-30-20 rule. Half for needs, 30 for wants, and 20 for savings or investing. Even if it's just $10, that's your first step from broke to bougie. Imagine checking your budget and actually feeling calm. You're sipping your iced latte, scrolling your bank app, and you're like, okay, I got this. That's what real control feels like. Most people avoid budgets because they think it's restrictive. But girl, budgeting isn't punishment. It's freedom. Every dollar you direct is a step toward your bougie era. Debt isn't just about numbers. It's emotional clutter. It's that heavy feeling when you check your balance and instantly regret every online shopping spree. But girl, it's time to detox that energy. We're cleaning up not just our money, but our peace of mind too. The average Gen Z credit card debt is about $3,300. But don't freak out. You've got options. The snowball method to feel quick wins, or the avalanche method to crush high interest first. Whatever you pick, just start. Small steps today turn into freedom tomorrow. Picture this. You swipe your card and feel nothing but calm confidence. No guilt, no panic, just power. That's what financial freedom looks like. Control without fear and spending that actually feels good. Paying minimums keeps you broke longer, babe. But when you pay strategically, you're not just paying bills, you're buying back your freedom. Because real bougie isn't about how much you owe, it's about how much peace you own. Let's be real. Trading your time for money is exhausting. Like, why are we still stuck in that 9-to-5 mindset when the internet literally gives us endless ways to earn while we sleep? It's time to flip the script and let your money work for you. Here's the thing, even $50 a month can grow into thousands if you stay consistent. Compounding is like magic, but real. The earlier you start, the more your money multiplies while you're busy living your best life. Passive income isn't just about money, it's about peace. It's that moment you realize you can go to brunch without checking your bank app in panic. It's freedom, and it starts small. Most people say they'll invest when they have more money, but that's a trap. Time in the market always beats timing the market. The best time to start? Right now. Seriously, your future self will thank you. Let's be real. Being bougie doesn't mean maxing out your credit card. It's about being smart with what you buy, like picking quality over quantity. You can look expensive without actually going broke. Track your joy per dollar. Seriously, if something doesn't make you happier or move you closer to your goals, it's not worth it. Because buying random stuff just for the dopamine hit? Girl, that's short-term happy, long-term broke. Real luxury isn't about brand names, it's about peace. Imagine sipping coffee on a quiet morning, knowing your bills are paid and your savings are growing. That calm confidence? That's the new bougie. Impulse spending? Yeah, that's the trap. Unfollow influencers who make you feel less than. Protect your peace and your wallet. Remember what Will Rogers said, "Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want." One job isn't security anymore. It's actually a risk. Think about it. If that one paycheck disappears, everything collapses. Real freedom starts when your money doesn't depend on just one place. Here's the thing. Millionaires don't have one income stream. They've got at least 7. But you don't need 7 right now. Just start with one, like freelancing, selling a digital product, or monetizing your skills online. Now picture this, money coming from different directions while you sleep, travel, or brunch with your besties. That's main character energy, but in your bank account. But here's the warning, don't chase every shiny trend. Focus on skills that grow, not fads that fade. Consistency beats chaos every single time. You glow faster when you grow together. For real, having people who hype you up when you're broke and celebrate you when you win? That's priceless. Community isn't just support, it's your secret weapon for a money glow-up. Studies show that people with accountability partners are 65% more likely to hit their goals. That's literally the difference between, "I'll do it someday," and "I already did it," bestie. Having someone who checks in, reminds you, and keeps you going, that's power. Imagine your group chat isn't just memes, but money wins, sharing savings goals, side hustle updates, and investment milestones. Like your friends saying, "Let's brunch," but also, "Let's build wealth together." That's the real luxury. Trying to do this solo just leads to burnout, so find your tribe, even if it's online. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher, just like Oprah said, because your circle shapes your success. So here's your glow-up roadmap. Reset your mindset. Track your cash, kill debt, invest early, spend smart, stack income, and stay connected. Remember, Bougie isn't about designer stuff. It's about designing a life where money supports your peace, not your stress. If this video gave you that aha moments, subscribe and share it with your broke to bougie besties. Drop a comment below. What's your next money glow-up move? Let's talk it out. This is Sophia from Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. Until next time, keep shining, keep stacking, and remember, you're one smart decision away from your glow-up.